Natural gas prices attempted to move higher but were unable to gain traction above support levels. Hurricane Iota is now a post-tropical depression and will not impact any natural gas installations. The weather is expected to move much warmer than normal over the next 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 days, according to NOAA, which is weighing on natural gas prices. According to Nat Gas Weather, both the GFS and European models gaining several more HDDs on top of the several they gained yesterday. Statistically, the GFS has gained 11 HDDs over the past 24 hours and the European model a heftier 18 HDDs, with both seeing a little stronger cold shots into the northern US. But the coming pattern is still bearish, just not as bearish as the weather data had showed to open the week. Besides bearish weather patterns, strong selling this week has also been attributed to lower 48 state production, increasing over 89 to 90 BCF the past few days, a jump of more than 2 BCF in just a few weeks. The market looks very likely to continue to see a lot of back and forth, perhaps in an attempt to try to build a base. After all, even though we have warmer temperatures coming to the United States in the short term, it is only a matter of time before winter steps back up and starts freezing everyone again. Quite frankly, it is cold right now. With that being said, the demand for natural gas will continue to pick up as we go into the season, and it should be noted that we are in the midst of getting close to the rollover from December to January contract, which is typically a very bullish time of year. As long as winter is relatively cold, that should eventually drive demand up and then send this market higher over the longer term. This is the cyclical trade every year, at least until we start trading spring contracts. We are not near that yet, so I still have an upward bias, even though the candlestick for the trading session on Wednesday was less than desirable. Perhaps technical trading came into play near the 50-day moving average, but I think if we can break above the highs of the Wednesday session, it is very likely that we will go towards the $2.96 level to fill the short-term gap above that kicked this move off.